This tutorial shows you how to install Git and get it fully working inside Visual Studio Code. No need to jump between tools. Just clean Git integration straight from the editor. Consider liking and subscribing if this video helps. Thanks. Head over to gitscm.com and download Git for your operating system. In my case, I will be using the Windows installer. During installation, you can leave most options at their default values. Once installed, open up the terminal and check to see if Git is working properly with this command shown. If not, you may need to restart your computer to ensure Git is available system-wide. If you see a version number, Git is installed and detected correctly. In order to use Git properly with your repositories on GitHub, you need to set your Git identity. This includes adding your name and email globally so your commits are properly tagged. Run the following commands in the terminal. Ideally, the name is your name on your GitHub profile and the email is the email associated with that same account. These values will be used for all your future repositories. Open up vscode and open the folder you want to work in with Git. Click on source control in the left sidebar, and if you see this message, it means Git isn't enabled within vscode. Click on the settings link. Look for Git enabled and click the checkbox. Now that Git is enabled, click on initialize repository in the source control panel. You now have a local repository created and ready to use Git. You'll now see all file changes tracked in the source control panel. For example, I have a file open right now. If you click on the plus icon, this will stage that file and make it ready to be committed. On top of that, you can even push or pull from remotes, all without leaving VS Code. Subscribe and be on the lookout for a more in-depth tutorial on how to use Git within VS Code if not already posted. Now Git is fully installed and integrated with VS Code. Keep your workflow efficient, clean, and centralized.